today's fast-paced tech landscape, picking the right technology to learn can be overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out or having a couple of years' experience. The wrong choice might mean slower growth, missed opportunities, or skills becoming outdated quickly. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 technologies you should focus on in 2026. The list isn't just based on trends, but on real-world demand, the salary you can earn, and how these technologies are shaping some of the world's biggest companies and most innovative products. I'll also share salary figures for both India and the US at entry and experience levels so you can see the earning potential clearly. Stick around till the end because technology number one isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of nearly every industry right now. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which technology excites you the most. At number 10, we have cloud computing. Cloud computing has revolutionized how businesses operate, allowing companies to scale quickly without investing heavily in physical infrastructure. The biggest players like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud dominate this space, offering everything from AI-powered services to serverless computing. Netflix uses AWS to stream billions of hours of videos globally, while startups rely on cloud platforms to launch products with minimal upfront cost. Knowing how to architect scalable, secure cloud solutions or automate deployments with tools like Kubernetes can make you extremely valuable. Now in India, entry-level cloud engineers can earn anywhere between 7 to 10 lakh per annum, with experienced architects earning up to 35 LPA or more. The US market pays starting salaries near $200,000, while senior cloud architects and DevOps engineers command salaries up to $200,000, especially at tech giants and financial firms. At number 9, we have UI UX design. User experience is no longer optional, it's a business driver. UI UX designers don't just make things look pretty, they study user behavior, conduct research, and create interfaces that solve real problems and improve engagement. Apps like Instagram and Spotify became household names partly because of their sleek, intuitive design. Now, mastering tools like Figma, Sketch, and understanding principles of accessibility and responsive design can set you apart. In India, entry-level UI UX designers make up to 5 to 8 lakh per annum, with mid-level professionals earning anywhere between 20 to 25 lakh per annum. In the US, junior designers earn approximately $85,000, while senior UX experts at top companies can make up to $180,000 or more. At number 8, we have cybersecurity. With data breaches making headlines regularly, cybersecurity professionals have never been more crucial. From building secure networks to ethical hacking and incident response, the roles here are diverse. Companies like CrowdStrike and Palo Alto Networks develop advanced threat detection software, while financial institutions invest billions to protect customer data. Certifications and practical knowledge of tools like SIEM, firewall management, and penetration testing frameworks can dramatically improve your job prospects. Entry-level cybersecurity analysts in India earn anywhere between 6 to 9 lakh per annum, while experienced engineers can reach up to 40 lakh per annum or higher. The US market offers starting salaries of $100,000, with senior security architects earning beyond $200,000, especially in critical infrastructure sectors. At number 7, we have digital marketing, which is tech plus analytics. Now, digital marketing today blends creativity with hardcore data analysis. Marketers use AI-powered tools for customer segmentation, conversion optimization, and ROI tracking, making data fluency essential. Firms like Google and Facebook continuously optimize billions of ad impressions daily. Understanding platforms like Google Analytics, programmatic ad buying, and marketing automation can make you indispensable. In India, entry-level digital marketers start at 4 lakh to 6 lakh per annum, with experienced specialists earning upwards 20 lakh per annum. Now, in the US, entry salaries range from $70,000 to $85,000, with senior growth marketers or heads of performance marketing earning over $180,000. At number 6, we have blockchain. Blockchain goes beyond cryptocurrencies to secure supply chains, authenticate digital identities, and create decentralized finance products. Its tamper-proof ledger system ensures transparency and trust in industries as varied as finance, healthcare, and gaming. Now, projects like Ethereum enable programmable money and decentralized apps, while companies like IBM build enterprise-grade blockchain solutions. And in India, blockchain developers' starting salary starts at 8 to 12 lakh per annum, climbing up to 40 lakh per annum for experts. The US market sees entry-level salaries near to $100,000, with senior engineers and architects earning over $250,000, especially in high-stakes Web3 startups. At number 5, we have software development full stack. Full stack developers are the Swiss Army knife of software development, capable of handling everything from UI to backend logic and databases. Now, this flexibility makes them visit to startups and tech firms aiming to ship products fast. Popular stacks include JavaScript, which is React plus Node.js, Python, Django, and Java Spring Boot, and companies like Slack and Twitter depend on full stack teams to keep their platforms running smoothly. Entry-level full-stack developers in India earn about 6 to 10 lakh per annum, rising up to 30 LPA with experience. In the US, starting salaries hover up to $95,000, with seniors surpassing $160,000 depending on their expertise. At number 4, we have product management. They translate customer needs into product roadmaps, balance technical constraints, and ensure timely delivery. Tech giants like Google and Amazon invest heavily in product management to stay competitive and user-focused. Product managers who understand data analytics, user psychology, and agile methodologies are highly sought after. In India, entry-level product managers earn between 12 to 18 lakh per annum, with seasoned managers making up to 50 lakh per annum or more. US salaries start at $110,000 and can exceed $300,000 at senior level, especially with equity. At number 3, we have data science. Data science powers decision-making by extracting insights from massive data sets. It combines statistics, programming, and domain expertise to build predictive models and data visualizations. Companies like Netflix use data science to personalize recommendations, while banks detect fraud through machine learning. Python, SQL, and tools like Tableau and Power BI dominate this domain. In India, entry-level data scientists earn between 8 to 12 lakh per annum, climbing up to 35 lakh per annum with experience. US role starts at $110,000, with senior data scientists earning up to $220,000 or more in fintech and tech. At number 2, we have generative AI. Generative AI is transforming creativity, coding, and content creation by teaching machines to generate text, images, and even music. This tech powers tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, GitHub Copilot, which are reshaping productivity. Industries from education to gaming are adopting these models to reduce cost and enhance creativity. Knowledge of large language models, neural networks, frameworks like PyTorch is essential. Entry-level generative AI engineers in India make up to 12 lakh to 20 lakh per annum, with experienced experts earning up to 50 lakh per annum. And in the US, starting salaries exceed up to $120,000, with specialists at AI-centric companies earning over $400,000. And at number 1, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML remain the undisputed kings of tech innovation. These technologies power everything from autonomous vehicles to medical diagnostic and personalized marketing. Organizations like Tesla, Google, DeepMind, and OpenAI lead the way, requiring talent skilled in deep learning, reinforcement learning, and computer vision. Entry-level AI/ML roles in India start from 10 to 15 lakh per annum, while experienced engineers and researchers command up to 60 lakh per annum and beyond. And at top tier, senior AI scientists in India sometimes earn between 1 crore plus. In the US, entry salaries start around $120,000, and elite researchers and engineers at top firms can earn $300,000 to $500,000 plus, factoring in bonuses and equity. So guys, there you have it. The top 10 technologies to learn in 2026 that will give you best chance to grow your career, working on exciting projects and earning a competitive salary. So whether you're in India, the US, or anywhere else, if you are seeking serious about your career, pick one or two for these to master deeply. Technology evolves fast, but strong fundamentals and real-world applications will keep you ahead. Now, if you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I would love to hear from you which technology will you focus on this year. Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.